Hello guys, what's going on? Exodus Gaming here, and I just thought I'd do a quick tutorial for animations. I'm not an artist, so these animations are going to look really bad, but if you guys are wanting to make a game, I'm sure you could spend the time to make good animations. So, we're going to start out by making it so we're going to have a platform. So we're going to need an active, which if you don't know how to get an active, double click the screen and you'll get one. You just click active in there. So very basic. Fill it in a black box and then that's your floor. So there we go. Next, you're going to double click the screen again and get a second active. And I think we're going to set the first frame to be orange. Then you're going to come to the bottom here where it says frame 1, right click and click clone frame. In frame 2 we're going to set it to be yellow, and we're going to clone frame again and we're going to set it to be blue. So okay, there we go. So orange is going to be when we're running, yellow will also be when we're running, and blue will be when we're jumping. So you're going to click on your active, your player, press F2 and click renaming character, and do the same for your floor, but named floor, not character. Okay, so click on your character and go to this symbol here. It's a blue man, he's running. Click him, and where it says static, click that and change that to platform. So there we go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click Control E, so event editor, and you're going to do new condition, character, collisions, another object, floor, under character do movement, stop. So now that we've got that, we're going to do new condition, storyboard controls, which is the chessboard, start a frame, under character, animation, stop. Okay, so new condition, keyboard, so it's this symbol, the keyboard, upon pressing a key, shift, underneath your player, animation, change animation frame to 3. And okay, so if we run application, when we press shift, it changes to the blue square. So now we need to do a new thing. New condition, character, oh no, actually we don't. Where you put your character collisions with your floor, right click under there and click animation, change animation frame to 1. Okay, so run application. So there, jump, and it puts you as a yellow square. Is it 0? Edit. I think it's 0. Sorry about that mistake. There. So now when we jump, it goes blue, and when we when we're on the floor, it changes back to the that's a glitch. It changes back to being orange. Drag this one down. I'm just going to test something. Replace. New repeat while key is pressed. Shift. I'm just going to make deactivate. Run acquisition. Alright, there you go. Okay, so I'd have both of these. Actually, yeah, you only need one. So what we're going to do is you're going to replace, go replace, click on your keyboard, and all you're going to do is, instead of clicking upon pressing a key, click repeat while key is pressed, still shift, and that'll work. So there you go, or whatever your jump button is, because you just might have changed it. Okay, now we're going to try and make the running animation. So delete animation, change animation sequence to user calculate. Animation, change animation frame to 0. Okay, we're going to do a new condition here. So do new condition every 1 second, and there is a collision between the character and the ground. Animation change animation frame to 1. Okay, so run application. Okay. Delete that, and now put it to 0 and change this to every 0.3, so 33. Okay, so I'm not sure on how we would do the changing to running animation frames right now. I'll bring that back in another tutorial once I figure that out. But up to now, we've got a frame for when we're walking around, and we've got a frame that when you jump, you change to be blue. So obviously, just for the fun of it, I'm going to change these to stickmen, to my really terrible drawings of stickmen. This looks a lot more like a zombie than it does like a stickman. Alright, there we go. That's our frame, and then he's going to be doing like a star jump for when he's jumping. So there we go, my really terrible drawings. Okay, and then run application. So this is our frame for when he's running, and then when he jumps, he changes to like this. So there we go. We've now made a jumping animation and a running animation. Oops, I ran off the edge. I will obviously bring back another tutorial on how we can do frames for when he is running. But thanks for watching, guys. Hope this really helps you out with jumping animations, and I'll see you next time. Bye.